Tata Motors has been working on a platform which you all have been reporting as a World Truck platform, where we were trying to make a world-class range of medium and heavy commercial vehicle truck, tippers and tractor range. And that project we have now branded as Prima, and with Prima now we are introducing the range of medium and heavy commercial vehicles. A couple of months back we have already introduced Prima 2 tractor models of 40 ton and 49 ton, and today we are unveiling 3 models of tippers on Prima platform. There is one model called 2528, which is a 25 ton GVW 280 horsepower model for mining application, and there are 2 models on 31 ton GVW. One is 3128, which is a 280 horsepower 31 ton tipper meant for road, canal and road construction and canal and irrigation work, and there is a 3138, which is a 380 horsepower 4 axle 31 ton GVW tipper, which we have introduced today for deep mining application. And with that, first time we are introducing Prima in the tipper range, and it's a world-class product which comes with the promise of world-class quality, world-class safety, and at the prices which Indian customers can pay and make money out of. And this promises to be having a very highly reliable product with the effort to maximize the revenue at the minimum possible cost increment to maximize the operator's profitability. In India, we have made a world-class new factory in Jamshedpur, new assembly line, which is incidentally the world's largest assembly line in terms of number of workstation and the total length of the assembly line in Jamshedpur, which is a brand new investment which we have made for Prima. Simultaneously, Prima assembly line has also been put up in our Tata Daewoo Korea operation, which is a 100% company which is 100% owned by Tata Motors. So currently, Prima range of trucks and tippers are rolled out from both the factory in Jamshedpur as well as from Tata Daewoo Korea. See, AP is a very important and a very strategic market for commercial vehicles, and of course for Tata Motors. It's a market which rewards a good and a reliable product. We have been doing very well in AP, and AP is a very important market for as far as the construction or the tipper application is concerned, because AP not only happens to be a state which consumes a lot of tipper and construction related machines because of lot of project which state government is running through, right from mining to irrigation projects. But AP also happens to be a market where a lot of large key customers who do the contract throughout the country for various road projects as well as irrigation and hydropower project and mining. So all those decisions are also made by their central office, which is based out of AP, and hence for tipper I can safely say that AP is the largest market in the country. See, as I told you that Prima is a vehicle with which we are looking at transforming the Indian customer to a world-class range, and hence in the path of any transformation it takes time, and we have not fixed ourselves any short-term target, but just to give you a perspective, we have invested the plant capacity which we have put up in Jamshedpur, which we have dedicated only for Prima, is having an installed capacity of 50,000 trucks per annum. So in couple of years down the line, that's the capacity which we are trying to utilize. Of course, it will take time for 2 reasons. One, because the transformation which is envisaged is going to take some time, because it's a high powered truck, and of course it comes at a incremental cost which can range from 30% to 50% higher premium over the current range. But at the same time, the entire range is also not yet complete. Over a period of next 2 years, you would see that we will be introducing a couple of Prima models almost every quarter. And once the entire range is complete, our belief is that a couple of years down the line, we would definitely want to utilize the entire production capacity which we have installed in Jamshedpur. See, on Prima, as I said, it's a very versatile platform which we have created, on which the total possible combinations which are already there on the drawing board are more than 1,000 combinations. So each one of them we'll be introducing. The range starts from 16 ton to 49 ton for Indian operation, and for overseas it goes up to 75 ton. So we are going to introduce several new tipper models in Prima, as well as tractor models and couple of rigid models as well.